I need to know, how did you get 2 deals for 2 cents?
Whew.
Let's explain it. And also, you did this in Chicago, Illinois, where if I posted that deal, someone would say that's fake. You can't wholesale in Chicago. You know, the FBI is gonna go knock on your door and put you in jail forever.
Right,
How are
right.
you doing this in Chicago? How are you getting it for so cheap? I need to know.
Hey, I got you. I got you. You know, I'm going to drop the value on the community today. So, when it comes to actually like what marketing I'm using text messaging. And I'm specifically using a company for text messaging called REI Reply. I've been using them for almost a year now, I think. So they've been really, really good for us. They're getting the job done. And like literally, so like the system itself is like $50 or whatever, but then for the price of the text to actually send out the text is literally less than a penny per text and per ringless voicemail drop. So literally, well, like, okay, so it's less than 2 cents for one message, right?
Yeah.
Technically, each lead that we got, like each one of these deals, it probably actually costs like 2.5 cents. I think I probably
Yeah.
had texted in like 3 times by the time that they actually reply back. But that's what I like about REI Reply, because it just kind of does it for us versus us having to send out those individual text messages every time. So yeah, like we just reached out to these individuals via text. We responded to them. I hopped on some phone calls with these people. In fact, I just made a video about it recently on YouTube, as you know, or whatever, kind of breaking down that process and the conversations that I was having with those people, as well as the numbers behind those deals. And we're actively, for the 4-unit property, is 2 opportunities that we came across. The 4-unit, we're actually considering grabbing it for ourselves.
Nice.
So yeah,
Wow.
man.
I'm telling you, like if I'm looking for a property just for me, I make a bunch of money wholesaling and I just want to put that into investing, just buy some wholesale deals. They're better deals than you ever get on the MLS. But thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people, so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.